Neighbors, was good? She got this your neighborhood, the one and only. Yeah. Sorry I've been gone for a minute, but update on the Evo. I got it back. It's right here. Got it back, but still can't drive it. I'm gonna get an update on that in just a second. All right, neighbor. So, I just graduated. Excuse my ashy hands, working on the car. But I just graduated and I commissioned into the Army as second lieutenant. So I got a dip for some training for about 3 months. So I ain't gonna be driving the car for 3 months. So it sucks. I just got it back like the last Thursday. But on side of that, yeah, I got the whoop back, and now that I got it back, everything's up and running. You know, I'm babying it because the transmission got to be broke in and all that good stuff. So with that being said, got some options. I'm gonna be gone, but somebody made me an offer for the Evo to buy it, and I was thinking, I'm like, I ain't gonna have it for a minute. And then when I finish training, I gotta go to Texas. So very soon I'm gonna be in Texas doing a lot of car stuff out there, because that's where I'll be moving to for the next 4 years. After that, well, before that, in the meantime, in between time, somebody made me an offer for the Evo. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it because I done built it so much and I ain't get to enjoy it, but you know, it's cool or whatever. I don't want it to sit for as long as it's gonna be sitting. So I'm thinking about probably selling it and just buying me another one. If not, you're gonna join the Subi gang, STI. I want to stay import. Did the 370Z. I want to get the 400Z, but it's not out. I wouldn't mind getting the 2022 STI, but that's not out either. I seen the new BRZ. I seen the new GT86. I don't know. I'm not considering none of those. But if y'all want that, I can make it happen. I can buy a supercharger, whatever, and go from there. There's nothing to it but to do it. On side of that, so yeah, let's get to it with the Evo. Got everything back. I'm playing with some fuses right now for all that good stuff. Got everything back. You know, I had a cracked manifold. All new one put on there. Got the new trans down below, as you know, holding built to hold well over 700. So that's cool. You know, I kept the stock look. I ain't too much tripping off that. I want all that. I want it to look stock when I pop the hood. But as you know, got the cob, the front intercooler and all that good stuff. So everything down there, the turbo and everything like that, as y'all know. But yeah, so to the wheel and everything about that. So I'm pushing, I think, safely on pump gas. It's about 545. So that's that. But like I said, didn't get to enjoy it because I just got it back. Somebody's trying to buy it since I'm leaving with the military. But yeah, so while I'm down there in Virginia, I'm gonna do content, but it's gonna probably be on something else, but it's still gonna be car related and stuff like that. I guess I'm gonna just have to give y'all an update on what I'm doing while I'm down there, since I won't have the Evo and I'll be doing other stuff. So, you know, on the weekends, if I hear a car meet or whatever, I try to get to it and send it and, you know, vlog it or whatever. But right now, that's what's going on. That's what the deal is. Yeah, so that's why I haven't been posting. I just got the Evo back last Thursday. Today is today's Monday, so you'll probably see this video Monday night. If not Monday night, probably Tuesday night. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, but pretty much that's it. Only thing I haven't gotten around to doing was, you know, like I said, that little bumper clip right there. But yeah, I had some wheels and tires. I had bought some new wheels and tires, but found out I was leaving. I sent them back. There's no point of letting them sit here. Then somebody asked to buy it, so I'm stuck between the two. If I sell it, get another Evo, and I can build it how I want to. Like I said, when I bought this one, I already had those wheels on it. I can build that one how I want. Other than that, I'm really trying to consider if I want to get the STI or get another Evo. But like I said, this one here is automatic, so when I get another Evo, it's gonna be a manual. I had the option to get another Evo. Well, I have 3 options really, but I'm gonna do whatever y'all want, but I know which my primary 2 are. First option is to get another Evo and it'd be manual. Second option is to get the STI. That only comes in manual. Third option is to join American Muscle. You know, I'm a jaded young guy, but you know, I would like a nice Corvette. It'll be a C7, probably 2014. Not really tripping off that. But yeah, that'll be one of my options. As you know, I have the race seats with the boost gauges in the inside and all that, monitor my boost and all that good stuff. Got the I think there's a 4-point harness in the inside too. So that's that. But like I said, whichever one y'all want, get another Evo. I'm thinking about getting another Evo because I didn't really get to do too much content with this. When I got it, trans blue, then school picked up all that extra stuff. Now I got it back, and now I gotta leave the military. So I'm trying to consider what do I want to do. But you know, I'm gonna cater to what y'all want, so we can keep the views rolling in, all that good stuff. On top of that, yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I really want another Evo, but if y'all want an STI, cool, so be it. If y'all want a Subi or a BRZ or a 86, so be it. If y'all want to see the Corvette, so be it. But if all of these cars would be bought, well, not all of these. One of these cars would be bought once I finish up in Virginia and I come down to Texas. I don't want to buy it now and it's just sitting here while I'm in Virginia, because that's a waste. But yeah, most definitely, whichever one y'all want to see me do, it's gonna be cool with me. Yeah, that's it. Like I said, pretty much kept the OEM look, just did some headlights. Everything else, I didn't get around to changing everything in here, because like I said, once it blew, hell, I had to let it sit, and I didn't want to, you know, just keep putting stuff into it and something else happened. But you know, like that happened there. So excuse me, I was gonna change the catch can and all that good stuff, but just never got around to it. So that's that. Now yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to know if y'all would like me to get another Evo, keep the Evo and get a manual. Excuse me, I'm moving too fast. If y'all would like me to get another Evo, but it'll be a manual, or get the STI, you know, that's only manual, or get a vet. And 9 times out of 10, if I get a vet, I'm gonna probably get it in the manual. I don't taught myself how to do it a little bit, so I would like to get one and go and further my practice there. But yeah, that's that. Like I said, the content might not be too much coming up these next 3 to 4 months, because I'll be in Virginia. I won't have the Evo and all that good stuff like that. So that's another problem, and go from there.